Good Friday morning, everyone in developmental psychology. I wanted to create this brief tutorial so that you can know exactly what is expected for the MindTap activities. So here I am going to our course content page. You can see that menu button. I'm clicking this link right here. Anytime you see that symbol with the circle of the blue rectangles there, that will lead you out to Cengage MindTap. So you can click here, or you can click within the content folder. I'm going to show you, because I have here linked a specific assignment, which is the mastery training. So this is going to then open in a new tab. And you will notice that this is taking me directly into this assignment. Now, again, I am not requiring you to do this particular assignment. So if you would like to choose a different assignment for this first chapter, you can simply click the X right here. And instead, these are organized by chapter here. So you can click then on the first chapter, the arrow, and what you can see then is here's mastery training. Here is a test. So if you want to do one or the other, that's up to you. And then again, what you will do in order to complete this assignment is you will go back over to Blackboard. This again is the folder for this week. And then you will click in this assignment. Again, you will tell me which of those activities you've chosen and the top 3 take-home points. Another note about any time that you're completing work typing in Blackboard, highly recommended to complete that or draft it in a Microsoft Word document and then copy and paste, because that way you won't lose your work if you have any problems with Blackboard timing out, for instance. So hopefully this brief tutorial helps you know exactly how to complete this weekly element. And if you're having any trouble with accessing MindTap or access codes or anything else, please let me know. Just a reminder here, what you'll see with this weekly agenda again is that you have your welcome discussion and discussion 1 due tonight. This is the only week that you'll have 2. And that's just because of the number of chapters in the textbook. You'll see that listed in the syllabus. And then that particular MindTap activity doesn't have to be mastery training. So again, if you have any questions, please email me, and hopefully you will be able to move forward, and you can refer back to this tutorial if it would be helpful.